Loom, a popular video communication tool, automatically generates transcripts of your recordings using AI. While helpful for accessibility and searchability, transcripts can pose privacy risks. This video will guide you through turning off transcript access in Loom to protect sensitive information and maintain control over your data. It is important to note that Loom has been improving their AI features to use more advanced methods for transcripts. To disable transcripts, first navigate to your Loom account dashboard. Look for the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner or within your profile menu. From there, select Privacy and Sharing. This section controls how your videos are accessed and what information is shared. Keep in mind, as of late 2025, Loom has enhanced its AI-powered transcripts using models from partners like OpenAI and Google. Navigate to the Privacy and Sharing settings in your Loom account. Within this section, locate the Transcripts area, where you'll find the Generate Transcripts option. Here, you'll see the option labeled Generate Transcripts, which controls whether Loom automatically creates transcripts for your videos. Toggle this switch to the off position. This prevents Loom from generating transcripts for any new videos you record going forward. Following privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA, Loom now requires opt-in for transcripts on new accounts, so this setting might already be off by default. This ensures your new videos won't have transcripts generated automatically, protecting your privacy. Disabling account-wide transcript generation only affects future recordings. For existing videos, you'll need to adjust their individual settings. Open the video you want to modify. Look for the Share or Link settings. You should find an option to include transcript with the shared link. Uncheck this box to prevent viewers from accessing the transcript. Loom offers 3 primary visibility levels for your videos. Private videos are accessible only by you. Shared videos can be viewed by specific people through a shared link. Public videos can be accessed by anyone who has the link. Transcripts are tied to these visibility settings, meaning the transcript access follows the same rules as the video itself. Disabling transcripts ensures no text data is exposed, regardless of the video's overall visibility setting. You can find the opt-out mechanism in account settings to toggle off transcripts and prevent new recordings from generating them. Transcripts can contain sensitive information, such as personal details or proprietary data. This means turning them off helps protect your privacy by reducing risks of unauthorized access or AI learning from your content. By turning them off, you reduce the risk of unauthorized access or AI learning from your content. Transcripts raise issues like consent for voice data and potential biases in AI transcription, such as accents or slang. By using opt-out, you mitigate many of these concerns. In a real-world corporate scenario, a mid-sized tech firm shared a Loom video containing client feedback with transcripts enabled and set to public access. When the sharing link was leaked through social media, sensitive business strategies became exposed to unauthorized viewers. This oversight led to legal repercussions, including a lawsuit under trade secret laws and a costly settlement. The company later mandated transcript disabling for all internal videos to prevent future incidents. In an educational setting, a university professor recorded lectures with transcripts enabled for accessibility purposes, but accidentally shared them with unauthorized students during an online session. This incident triggered an institutional review under FERPA privacy regulations. The professor subsequently switched to private settings with transcripts disabled to protect student privacy and avoid future violations. These examples demonstrate how improper transcript access control in Loom can lead to significant harm, from legal battles to privacy violations. They underscore the critical importance of managing sharing settings and disabling transcripts when confidentiality matters. The trend in video communication tools is shifting towards privacy-first design. Experts predict future Loom updates will include end-to-end encryption for transcripts and potentially integrate blockchain for immutable privacy logs. By staying informed and proactively managing your transcript settings, you can ensure your Loom videos remain private and secure. Privacy should be the #1 concern when it comes to sharing your video.